No, we'll let him come around.
Okay. Wait.
And Grandma. Grandma, over here. Is this mine? Yay!
That's yours.
Is it really?
It is. It's really yours.
You guys got Joe's a dog. I've already picked out a name. Hunter.
Oh, his name's
He's
unfortunately
already has a name.
his name is Scout, and they
Scout.
so we have to call him because that's what he listens to.
Oh, Josh.
But he could be
You can-
be Scout Hunter.
Yeah.
To call him Scout.
Hi, bud. It's
Couldn't he?
Get
Come
it on
on.
your hands and knees.
Go over,
He
go
loves
with
to give
Josh.
kisses.
Because they go over to Josh. Henry, they go to Josh, darling.
Not off to a good start.
Oh, he's not. Hey, he's not a color. Oh, cool. Where do you guys? Is he a beagle? Oh, is he a
From your
beagle?
mum and
Yeah.
dad For your birthday.
Mom, is it a beagle?
It is.
Oh.
Well, he's part beagle. He's got some more in him, but what do you think of him?
Good.
He loves giving kisses.
I think he loves sleeping on beds.
Granny, you guys see what I made those English
Scout, here.
things?
Yes.
Hey, come here.
He goes, I can't decide who I like.
I said,
This is all new to him.
tell the other.
You want to see how well behaved he is?
Yeah.